and here. Okay, this. Turn it around. Make another fold like this and one like this. See what we've done? We've taken this, folded it like this, then taken these edges and opened them out a little. Hold it here. From the bottom sheet, pick up just first the upper one, fold it like this, again like this, and again like this. Now our white border is ready. What we will do is, we will open this up like this, quietly, simply turn it like Santa Claus's cap. But we are not making Santa Claus's cap. We are making a goldfish. The goldfish is all but ready except for its tail fin. For this, lightly fold here. Open it up. We have this fold ready. Take a pair of scissors. Along this fold, cut it till the halfway point. Now, this point where we have cut and here. Take this and just fold it once more. And here is the goldfish. Isn't it pretty? Okay, children, you remember the last fold I taught you? We are going to now use that fold to make another bird and another fish. But these two things are going to be a little more difficult than what we made earlier. But at the same time, they will also be prettier. So for this blue sea fish, we will take a square sheet, turn it into a triangle, open it up, fold again like this. Taking the other side, make another fold. Now, take this point and this edge and fold it here. Similarly, turn the paper, this point and this edge. Join it like this and what do we have? A diamond shape is ready. This diamond we take and fold like this. Now this diamond has again been turned into a triangle. We take this triangle a little from here, fold it like this. Turn it around. This edge, again, fold it like this. Turn around again. Take this piece, fold it and put it in here. Is that okay now? This is the snout of the fish, all ready. We folded this, turn it around, leave a little gap, fold it again like this. Here is the gap for the snout. We've got this little edge still there. Take this, fold it and so put it inside here. So the snout of our fish is all ready. Simply turn the back to make its tail. And that is your fish with a little small black eye. So here is our blue sea fish with its deadly, dangerous snout. Be careful. The same fold again is what we are going to use to make a small little bird. Square, triangle, open it up, first fold, second fold. Till here it is easy now. Again, fold here along this edge. Now, our triangle is ready. Until here, the steps have been exactly the same as we did for the fish. Now, we take this edge and we join it here, fold it this way. So what you have now is a thin strip like this. Okay. Now we have a thin strip which looks like this on one side and this on the other. Here and here. Keep your finger here. Take this edge and fold it up like this. Here. Now you know how to tie a knot. What we are going to do is to tie a knot out of these two edges. So this is here. We pick this up, turn this around like this. Here, turn it back, and the knot is now going to go inside this. So here you go, and here you come out. This is the knot which is ready. Now what this bird needs is a little turn here to make its beak. And there it is, with a fat tummy all ready to fly off into the wide, wide world. Today we have learned how to make a lot of birds and water animals. But where are they going to live? And where are we going to live with them? So, for us and for the birds, we need a house and some trees. We have to make them also. So, first we will make a house for ourselves. Take a square sheet. Turn it, make a triangle, again turn it, make a square. Now keep this line in mind and fold here. Open up this fold, fold here, open up. Now you have these little folds all set. What we are going to do is here from this fold, fold it again, open it and make a triangle and a rectangle. Similarly, turn this easily, fold it like this, open it up, Now when you open these two folds, it comes out like this. Our house is all ready. What we need to do is take some colors, make a door, and some windows. And if you want, we can color the roof in a different shade. A colorful house is ready. Easy, wasn't that? And now for the trees. So, square, triangle, triangle. Pick the sheet up, turn it like this, a square. Turn it around, repeat the process, another square. Now, take a little bit of this, turn it here, open it, and again, keep this like here and this. Fold this. Repeat the process. Again, open this up like this and turn it. Open it up and turn it. And now the last sheet. Open it up and turn it. Pick this up and your tree is ready. Now see what we have made finally. The trees which we made were a little too small for the birds to sit on. So what I have done is I have taken a twig or a branch, small branch, and set it up in a tray of coarse sand. Similarly, all the birds and the trees and the houses have been set up to make a beautiful scene. Now you can use your own imagination to make anything. That's up to you. Whether you make an aquarium, a house, a bird house, or a jungle. But I hope you are going to enjoy yourself making all the things that you learned today. Hello children, are you ready to have some fun? Well, today we are going to enjoy ourselves making some little toys and things for us using Play-Doh.